front of me is REALME GT Master Edition, and today I would like to show you how you can operate App Permission Manager on this smartphone. Firstly, open Settings. Now you need to select App Management over here and click on Permission Manager. Following that, pick one of your phone's features like Location and select one of your apps, for example Maps. Now pick one of those options by clicking at the chosen one. Allow all the time, allow only while using the app, ask every time, or deny. I want to go with allow all the time, so I have to tap on it and go back. And now, as you can see, Maps just gained access to this device location. But you can also just select one of your apps. But this time, select See All Maps permissions over here and manage all of them for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!